guys, so it's another day, it's a new month, it's 1st of May today and we are in a new place and हम आ चुके हैं Sri Lanka and we are at the Bentota beach area. We are staying in Taj Spa and Resort Bentota, and we reached here around 5. We landed in Sri Lanka actually, in Colombo at around 5:20 a.m. The immigrations and checks and everything got done literally before 6. We got a cab, we got a SIM, everything from the airport itself. We took a Dialog SIM card and हमने कैब भी वहाँ से ही पिकअप एयरपोर्ट कैब कर लिया था, बट आप पिकमी ऐप से भी बुक कर सकते हो. And it took us around 14,000 Sri Lankan rupees to get here to Bentota from Colombo airport. So we have some amazing plans for today. We are going on a river safari, so चलिए हमारे साथ. बट अभी पहले जाके खाना खाते, भूख लगी है. ये लिफ्ट खोलो. So after we landed Sri Lanka, we had already pre-booked this river safari tour from Viator. We'll try to put the links in the description box. In this tour, basically they show you around Bentota area via the water, and then they take you into the jungle which surrounds the Bentota island. There is a tour guide who kind of knows a lot. He also rides your boat, and he just points out and stops at areas where there are worth seeing sights, like this beautiful black local Sri Lankan bird. Of course I forgot the name of it, but yeah, they kind of stop and they'll show you and point out and ensure that you are able to see everything that is there in the wildlife in this jungle safari. There was another bird that he showed us. Then they took us to another area जहाँ पे ये बड़ी सी white Buddha का statue था. I think there's a resort around it as well. The statue was pretty.
Another one there.
Oh yeah, they just Sizu जैसे पड़े हुए हैं. And then he let us ride the motorboat, which was the fun part. Even Avi did it. He just encouraged us and we went for it. Hey yo guys, so अब हम हमारे रूम में हैं and we are heading out for another experience. अभी हम जाने वाले हैं turtle hatchery. So basically वहाँ पे, I mean of course turtles hatch होते हैं, but it's also a turtle conservative program जो श्रीलंका में चलता है. And they let you like see how the turtles are reared and brought up, how the eggs are hatched, and not just up to hatching, but they also ensure कि once the turtles are hatched, I think every day or on certain days, after the sunset, they go and they let these turtles loose into the ocean. And आज हम ये करने वाले हैं. So I'm super excited about this experience. तो आप हमारे साथ चलिए and I hope you enjoy it too. That's the sun right there. That's the ocean right there. The sunset is going to happen right here. That's the view. I love the view of this place. The people here are really nice and so far so good. Loving the view, loving the property. Say hi to the vlog. This one is like full on. The best part of the trip was that when we reached this hatchery, actually the turtles were hatching. We were lucky enough to catch it. It's a very rare sight where tourists don't really get it, but we got it and we were lucky to do it. So what happens is that once the sun sets, you need to take these baby turtles and just leave them into the water. And it is a Sri Lankan belief that each turtle will carry your wishes along with them to the moon, and so you just say a wish and leave the turtles into the ocean, and that's how your wishes are carried into the ocean. So there were so many. They actually just give people usually 5 to 10 turtles, but they were kind enough to give us so many of them. I think there were more than 50 turtles in my basket. Just look at how they go. They are all carrying our wishes along with us. Sorry, not along with us. They were carrying wishes along with them, of course. And look at how teeny tinily they are going. Go, little turtles, swim away, take our wishes, and get us back good health and prosperity for everybody in our family and everybody watching this video. Swim with your brothers and sisters. Hey guys, it's day 2 in Sri Lanka and आज हम निकल पड़े हैं for a very special experience. आज हम मेलिसा एंड गाल और कॉल एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं, बट बिफोर दैट हम जा रहे हैं एक स्नॉर्कलिंग एक्सपीरियंस पे विच इज़ विद द टर्टल्स. यस, कल आपने अगर देखा होगा हमने टर्टल्स, बेबी टर्टल्स पानी में छोड़े थे. वी रिलीज देम एंड लेट देम गो बैक टू द ओशन. आज हम उन्हीं के साथ, नॉट उन्हीं के साथ एक्चुअली, बट टर्टल्स के साथ स्विम करने वाले हैं. We get to feed them. I'm super excited, but I'm also a little scared because it's going to be like at the shore level, so currents थोड़े high हो सकते हैं. But let's see, we are excited for it. So चलिए हमारे साथ and आप भी swim करिए turtles के साथ. Another highlight of our Sri Lanka trip was seeing this beautiful turtle swimming along with us. It actually swam alongside us. It was sleeping at the bottom of the sea, but then it saw us, it came up, took a breath. It even came very close to our faces, which is not in the video, but it was beautiful and I'm never going to forget this experience. I even got a tattoo about this whole experience. And look at how it took a breath. These are just some swimming boats, fishing boats that we saw along the way. This is called stilt fishing, which is an traditional fishing form of Sri Lanka. हमारा डे 3 इन श्रीलंका बेंटोटा. आज हमने बस ऐसे ही चिल डे रखा है. वी डिडंट रियली प्लान एनी एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर द डे. आई एम सो टैंड, लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. लुक एट दैट. बट एनीवे, टैन ना हुए तो आपका ट्रिप हुआ भी है क्या बीच वाला? दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो आज हम बस चिल कर रहे हैं. वी जस्ट सिटिंग इन द प्रॉपर्टी एंड द व्यूज़ फ्रॉम आवर प्रॉपर्टी इज़ अमेजिंग. सो we have the beach on the back side, we have the sea over there, so it's like surrounded by water. What else can a water baby like me ask for? सुबह हम गए थे पानी में थोड़ा सा खेला, टाइम पास किया, and उसके बाद we were just chilling by the pool side here where we can get this beautiful view right now. And if this isn't life, what is? So बस yes, आज यही कर रहे हैं. एंड कल हम फिर वापस आ जाते हैं टू मुंबई, बैक टू आवर नॉर्मल लाइफ्स एंड बैक टू द हसल आई गेस. सो आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. इफ़ यू एवर कम टू श्रीलंका, बेंटोटा इज़ अ मस्ट विज़िट, क्योंकि बेंटोटा से ना आप काफ़ी सारी जगह विज़िट कर पाओगे. लाइक बेंटोटा से यू कैन डू अ डे ट्रैवल टू कॉल, यू कैन डू अ डे ट्रैवल टू मिरीसा, यू कैन डू अ डे ट्रैवल टू याला. I think you can do Ella also, which is close by from here. A lot of places are very close by from here, and plus Bentota has one of the cleanest beaches in Sri Lanka. तो आपको Bentota तो definitely visit करना चाहिए. And experience के point of view से I think sorry, what am I saying? Yeah, the turtle really hatchery is a must visit. The turtle swimming, snorkeling, अगर आपको पानी से डर नहीं लगता, आपको swimming आती हो, then the turtle snorkeling is another experience that you must try, and the whale watching experience is a must try. So yeah, a lot of things to do and a lot of time to chill as well. So that's all we're going to be doing today, and we're going to wait for the sunset now. हम कोशिश करेंगे आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा सनसेट दिखाने की, अगर यहाँ से हम ठीक से देख पाए. And yeah, that's all for today.